Hi, I'm Ed Barry. I'm the CEO of Capital Bancorp, a publicly traded $2.1 billion bank headquartered in the Washington, D.C. area. The story of Capital Bank is pretty fascinating and has evolved over many times with many different pivots. We started out as a traditional community bank many years ago, but somewhere along 2012, when I came in, we had a desire to be something different. And it really kind of stemmed from our notion of looking at the world and recognizing community banks and banking in general as a commodity product. And it's changing very rapidly in that the small players are struggling to keep up with a lot of the larger players, given the evolving customer needs, particularly around technology. And so as we charted our path, we said, look, the best banks out there 20 years ago may not be the great banks out here 20 years from now. And things that made you advantaged, like branches years ago, are now albatrosses for many of the players. So we charted a path to be a little bit different. We decided to invest in things where we thought the world was going versus where the world has been. So as a team, we started to kind of build capabilities around data, around analytics, around technology, around digital marketing, all different skill sets that you normally wouldn't see at a small community bank. And our approach was also different in that we said, hey, we want to compete by helping customers simplify the complex. So when we see complex customers, we love them. If you look at a lot of the larger banks, they tend not to like small complex customers. They want standardization, but I can compete in complexity. And so we offer customized, tailored solutions across the commercial and consumer space to help customers solve whatever their needs are. We operate through three lines of businesses: a commercial line of business that's really focused in the DC Baltimore marketplaces, a mortgage banking arm, which more and more is digitally driven and trying to build out the end-to-end digital capabilities. And there we compete on almost a nationwide business. And then lastly, we have a payment/secured credit card arm that we bought that we're in the process of doing a digital transformation on to serve into a digital underbanked bank. And that we compete nationwide, primarily through a mobile device. We've built out a lot of our own custom technology to supplement a lot of the core technologies that are out there, and have been in a process to kind of grow all our businesses while investing in those core capabilities. The track record's been really good. We've had phenomenal growth over the past several years across every business. And in 2020, we actually grew our secure card group, Open Sky, over 150% in growth in 1 year. And that's off of double-digit growth consistently for the past 5+ years. So we're really excited about where the business is going, and we're excited that investors in the stock market start to pay more attention to the uniqueness that we bring to our story. We've been able to marry good traditional bank skills on the community bank side in terms of local market expertise with these next-gen capabilities on data, technology, analytics, and digital marketing to try to offer something different in all the markets and segments that we compete in. The story's been great, and we're really excited about the future. Along the way, we've been able to complement different skill sets of folks that from these traditional community banks, with also folks that kind of you see more akin of who've worked maybe at a technology company bank or technology company in general. So it's been a good run, and we're really excited about our growth plan and where the business is taking us.